Welcome to the HIKI No tutorial series, Audio Noise.
At many HIKI No shoots, we notice that there are teachers and students who have difficulty hearing the difference between the types of noise issues. For this tutorial, we are going to cover 3 of them and give you a better understanding of what they sound like. For this, we came up with a game called Audio Detective. If you've already played this game at one of the 2013 HIKI No workshops, try it again. It's always good to refresh your knowledge. The first step is to write down this list as shown. If you need more time, just pause the video and continue when you are ready. Got it all written down? Good. Next, you will hear 3 sound bites, which will be labeled A, B, and C. Each sound bite will be a piece of the same script, but they each have a different problem. Your job is to write down the corresponding letter next to the correct audio noise on your list. Ready? Here we go. Soundbite A.
Solve the mystery of strange creatures crawling around a high school campus. Find out what makes a fire knife dancer tick, why there are so many chickens on Kauai, and more.
Soundbite B.
Solve the mystery of strange creatures crawling around a high school campus. Find out what makes a fire knife dancer tick, why there are so many chickens on Kauai, and more.
And finally, soundbite C.
Solve the mystery of strange creatures crawling around a high school campus. Find out what makes a fire knife dancer tick, why there are so many chickens on Kauai, and more.
Think you've got it figured out? Here are the answers. How'd you do? Now, what happens when you encounter these issues? What do you do? Well, if you experience overmodulation, check all audio sources from the beginning of the pathway, from the receiver to the camera and everything in between. Make sure your levels are set properly. If you experience radio frequency interference, double-check your frequencies on your wireless microphone transmitter and receiver. Make sure they are the same. If you're still hearing it, try different frequencies. And if neither of those work, you may want to think about shooting at a different location or switching to a hardwired microphone. Remember, airports tend to have one of the highest concentrations of RF. If you are experiencing microphone rub, check to see where the microphone is on your subject and reposition it so that it doesn't rub against their clothing. Remember, this is equally important for teachers and students to learn, so that when these problems arise, it will make troubleshooting much easier.
Thanks for watching this HIKI No tutorial. Please check out the other tutorials for more help.